Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss nifty ways you can ace your dental school interview. First off, I want to say congratulations for landing your dental interview. I'm sure you put in so much hard work and it's fulfilling being offered an interview in the first place. Each school offers a different interview format, so definitely do your research. SDN Student Doctor Network has some helpful insight from students who have interviewed at that particular school, and they even have a list of hypothetical questions that the school may ask. Definitely take notes. What I did was each school that I was offered an interview, I would go into SDN, write down all the questions that they could hypothetically ask me, and typed out all my answers. From there, I would go over each question and practice speaking. Speaking out loud versus just reading a question that you typed up is a lot different because when we speak, it's a more casual and personable tone, whereas anything written is going to be more formal and awkward once you're speaking aloud. So definitely practice talking a lot, practice in front of the mirror, being mindful of your mannerisms, and what helps too is to get a family member or a friend to practice with you. Have them ask you the hypothetical questions and give your response or answers accordingly. In addition, friends and family will give you honest, constructive criticism, whether it's you're moving your hands too much or you're using weird gestures or you're saying like or and or so too much. They will let you know and give you authentic feedback. When you're reviewing all the hypothetical questions that admissions or your interviewer may ask you, one of the most common questions and universal to I think all schools is why you chose dentistry and why you chose this path, what inspired you. This is a question that I find most students give an answer that they think admissions would like to hear versus give a true and authentic answer that actually really inspired them. In this case, be honest, whether it was you shadowed a dentist, had a mentor, had a family friend, enjoyed the art aspect or science aspect of dentistry, or enjoyed being able to work with patients or utilizing your hands. Whatever resonated with you the most, definitely share it and share the root reason why you chose this beautiful path. These interviews will be formal, and it's better to be a little bit overdressed than underdressed. Ladies, I recommend getting a pantsuit, having a white button-up blouse underneath with a blazer over, and then work pants. For men, I would invest in a nice suit and tie. Wear appropriate shoes, closed-toed shoes, no super high heels, nothing flashy, very minimal jewelry, and your hair should look neat and tidy. Think of the way you dress as a way you carry yourself professionally, and dental school admissions, when they're interviewing you, like to see how you carry and present yourself. My number one tip when it comes to preparing and practicing for your interview, and when it actually comes to interview day, is be yourself. Be authentic, be true. Do not come up with answers that you think admissions would like to hear because that comes out as forced and unnatural. You already know all the answers to the questions. You know yourself the most, and highlight things that make you stand out, and that's true to you, whether it's sharing your favorite pastimes or hobbies aside from dentistry. The fact that you landed a dental interview shows that you're a strong and eligible candidate for the program. So this interview is primarily to see how you are as a person and your social skills aside from your strong JT score, your strong GPA, or the number of community volunteer hours you put in. So be yourself, enjoy the moment. I know there's going to be a lot of nervous jitters or excitement when it comes to interview day, but make the most of it and enjoy the process and the journey. Another important takeaway during your interview is to ask questions, meaning you have to put your research in beforehand about the school, the program, how the course schedule is like, what the camaraderie is like, teacher-student ratio, important things that you would want to know as a potential dental student at their university. This shows that you're interested and that you care and that you've obviously done your research and put in some time and effort into learning about their school, which is viewed upon positively. Definitely also bring a notepad and pen where you can jot down notes, because as admissions or your interviewer is speaking, being able to jot down notes about their program and helpful insights that they have to offer is also viewed upon positively because it shows that you're engaged and interested in their program. And last but not least, remember to breathe. I know when you are excited and nervous, your heart beats faster and all these butterflies are going on and you feel overstimulated, but breathing really helps slow down your heart rate and keep you grounded, be able to interview well and successfully while still staying true to yourself. So that's it for now. I hope that you found this video helpful. If I left anything out, please feel free to let me know. You know where to find me, and I'll see you next time.